Kia reveals 3 new models at the 2025 New York Auto Show. Here's everything you need to know from the Jacob Javits Center EV9 Nightfall Edition, world premiere. Flagship electric SUV now gets the Nightfall treatment, unique blacked out. Styling plus new Roadrider Brown color. Interior, premium black theme, detailed stitching. Boost mode increases torque from 61.3 kg/Fm to 71.3 kg/Fm, 444 lb-ft to 515 lb-ft. 0-100 km/h, 0-62 mph, in just 5.3 seconds. Supports NACS charging, Tesla Supercharger compatible, plus CCS with adapter. U.S. sales begin in Q2 2025, all-new K4 hatchback, world premiere, sporty design with hidden rear door handles and sparkling yellow color, best-in-class rear legroom, headroom, plus 628L, 22.2 CUFT of cargo space. 30-inch panoramic display, wireless connectivity, digital key 2.0, OTA updates, 1.6L turbo engine, 190 HP, 8-speed automatic, GT line sport suspension, advanced safety, highway driving assist 2, evasive steering assist, surround view monitor, trims, EX, GT line turbo. U.S. sales start Q4 2025 EV4 sedan, North American debut. Kia's first electric sedan based on eGMP platform. Sleek design, WR fastback roofline, vertical taillights, 19 wheels. Smart tech, highway driving assist, remote smart parking, hands-on detection. Trims, light, wind, GT line, U.S. launch in Q1 2026. Also on display, EV6, Telluride, Sorento, Sportage, and more. A total of 21 vehicles showcased across 1,769 mi, approx. 19,040 SQFT of booth space. Event highlights include appearances from key Kia executives like Eric Watson, Tom Kearns, and more during press day.